Buhay sari-sari.
Hello, hello, hello! Mga ka-BSS! Ngayon po ay December na, kaya kami ay magde-decorate na po dito sa aming bahay ng Christmas decoration! Para sa
This is our first decoration in 10 years.
yan. Ngayon na naman na kami magde-decorate ng bahay. Wala na ang Christmas tree. Wala po kami ng
There's leaves. Regalo. Lights. Wait. Assemble our
BSS. Ngayon na wala po kami mag-decorate.
Ano ba po?
Siguro na yan.
Here's the
Tapos yun si ano.
panglock. Panglaking nga rin.
Siguro naman. Ano naman? Symbol naman na. Kalang ka.
Tama-tama.
This is
Ano tingin?
That is,
Ito ba yun?
here pa. Oh, yun lang. Taas lang, you put this. And this is the lock.
Wait, this is by the camera.
You lock
far.
first. You lock it first.
Wait, where's the coin?
Honey, you lock this. Oh, one lang. You lock. Tapos yun. May butas ka rin na. Oh. Lock. First the butas. Like that lang. Ayun.
This tree is my height.
Uy, look at this. Is this correct?
I don't know.
Honey, baby.
Oh, that's why it looks ugly.
Look at this.
Plastic.
Teka
Is
mo.
this correct?
No wonder this
Maybe.
looks horrible.
Anak,
Wow.
wala nang ano lang.
Wala lang. No wonder it looks so horrible before. I had to remove the plastic.
There's another
Put the
Always,
plastic in one place.
always learn, kids. You don't need plastic surgery to look beautiful. You only need to look like yourself.
there's 3 locks.
Mom, I thought you were the main character of this show.
What?
Father, focus the camera on Mama,
Nak, I don't know.
aka Mommy in English.
Hindi ako marunong.
Episode title:
Tatlong lock.
Watch
Tatlong
Mommy
lock
and
yun,
Gently
tatlo.
struggle to figure out how to make a pine tree.
Yeah, this is pine tree. Nak,
Poultry.
this is pine tree.
I know. It has a lot of ferns, so it can
Let's
be
remove the
distinguished.
plastic.
Yeah, you don't need plastic to look beautiful.
But you keep the plastic inside the box.
Why?
Kapag hindi na Christmas, babalutin natin ulit ito ng plastic para hindi marunong. Hindi marunong.
Totally.
Siguro yun. Pang-araw mo lang siguro ito.
Ano ko lang? Like you put the plastic
Ang kami
inside,
ano, ang sakay. Nakalag ka nga.
inside the box.
Are you sure nag-salit na halaan?
Lock yan, lock.
Pila talaga niya.
Nalit yung duman.
Kaya rin niya ako si
Ay, nalit mo yung duman.
Nakaharap lang kaya.
Pero pero mali.
Pwede po ka ko. Sige.
Baka niya sa iba. It's beautiful. Yeah,
hard to open.
that.
It's hard to open.
Like this, oh, ibugot lang. Ibugot.
Yeah, but some parts is hard to pull.
Just put it.
Yeah, but it's hard to pull sometimes.
No.
Yes, it is.
It's easy.
Yeah, because you got the easier job.
It's so easy to
Pwede mo
put
na
the
sa ano,
plastic.
sa box.
Okay, try to pull this one then. Or this
You put
one.
the plastic inside. You put the plastic inside the box.
Yeah, totally. I totally did.
Ay,
Yeah. Are you so...
it's difficult to remove the plastic. Some
Yeah.
plastics are
Yeah, it's extremely difficult.
difficult to remove.
Yeah. Oh,
Yo.
Very smooth. You touch the
Mother,
leaves.
commentate more.
You touch the leaves.
Just a minute.
It's very smooth and soft.
Yeah, because it's brand new.
See?
From Lazada.
No.
Actually, this wasn't from Lazada. It's from 101.5. Free advertisement for 101.5. Are you sure that it's like that? Because I personally think that but it looked worse.
Sa'yo, nagkarali niya si Buho.
Ay, hala, sayang.
Yeah.
Do not remove the
Let's remove the hair.
hair.
It will go bald.
Kaya pagsalitan, kaya road na yun.
Ay, it's difficult talaga.
Ang iibang ka niya, vacuum na niya.
Some plastics are difficult.
Extremely difficult.
You get
No kidding.
scissors. You use scissors.
Ganyan.
First the
Pag
scissors.
ano,
Scissors in the sky. Here's the
Hats.
scissors.
With hats. Hats.
sabi mo, sabi ka puting ta.
Sabi baka ang tagilid na pag-anak. Ang kaya ang tagilid na. Problema na ano kaya Jenny!
Wow.
Hindi na nakapasok siya eh.
Aramdan, ayusin ka muna yun sa baba. I-hold down naman ang mga branch. Ang branches.
Shirts like that.
Be careful, be gentle.
It looks a lot
Bakit mo
worse.
datang matamaan?
Mas malam nakakit sa ano. Pag ganito mo matabi, technically, mas mayaman ka na.
Yung balat ng bata ka niya.
Iyo. Kaya bago ka na. Kaplat mo. No. I can't pull it.
Hindi pa ba mo sa buhay?
Are you sure it's like that? Because I personally did think that it looked worse.
Hindi mga ano, bukong nila yung mga kaning bukong siya.
Looks very thin.
Wala rin ba mo kaya mga decoration niya?
Yeah, but it looks very thin. And lacking of the structure. Looks like it's a bunch of...
Nag-remove the plastic na.
You do it. And folding.
Ang siguro mo kayo, ibulong mo lang mga ano,
Iyo, parang kayo.
pag galing ano, magkayo siya lang, magkayo siya ng
Body.
yeah. Yun na ba daw?
Oh. I think you do it like what I'm doing. It's not very folded that much. Because the skeleton has to be covered. So it doesn't look like it's just fake wood.
This is made of what now? Plastic.
Plastics.
Plastic?
Everything's made out of plastic. My life could be made out of plastic right now. Oh, Mom!
What?
Mother, I need your scissors to cut this one and also this one too. So that
It's
situation.
a may stand.
No, you cut it. I don't know how to cut it. No, it's right over there.
It's look like we have a point right here.
Cut it there.
Yes. We have a foreigner.
Why is this so hard to cut?
Galing pa
Mom.
kasi ito ng Amerika para tingnan.
It's a one.
Yeah. May I use your scissors? Kid,
How about
let's
the
play
lights?
in the carton again.
Wait a minute. Oh, it's difficult to remove the plastic.
And was oh, I think I'm doing so much commentary in camera.
So difficult to remove
Let's
the
see. Oh yeah,
plastic.
the camera position was not even looking at us at all.
Where?
Yeah. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna be a cameraman for a moment. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Amazing tree. Tudun.
Sila magigawang bangs.
So, Mom, tell me your experience with this tree.
It's beautiful.
Okay.
Kasi wala pang alikabok.
Oh, that's so true.
I'm so happy.
Yeah, because it's brand new.
We have a
In the future, it's gonna be so annoying when you're just seeing so many of its ferns or or its grass or whatever or leaves just falling out like hair.
Gusto ko
very
ito.
soft.
Ooh, soft.
Touch it. Soft.
Soft. Can I lay in it?
It's soft.
Okay.
Wow, beautiful. It's a beautiful day.
Hey, look, it's exactly your height.
Same medyo height. So,
Yeah, look at all this
pulot na.
mess. This is the dirtiest tree. We need to get the solid waste, the Philippine Solid Waste Management to clean this up. Well,
Put it here.
we're gonna put it there.
Then
There and there.
There. Okay. I'm gonna get this Mabuhay star.
another plastic.
I'm guessing we're gonna use this Mabuhay star for the star on top.
There's a plastic.
I'm guessing we're going to do that.
There's another plastic.
Ooh.
Hindi pa natanggal ang mga plastic.
Okay na ba?
Oh, meron pa.
I'm guessing that's our star.
No, the star is later.
Let's put the star now so we can see what it looks like.
Ano siguro na yung list?
Hindi, meron yung ano. Plus ano na yun. May box. May ano pa yan.
Ang paksa.
Oh yeah.
May tangka yan.
Oh yeah, there.
May body yan. Dapat ang star huli.
Nah, we're going to put. Oh, I think you have to put it there.
Yan.
Yeah, keep. No, yes, it will work.
Oh, no, dahil.
Yes, it will. If you believe in magic.
You believe in magic.
Yeah, believe in the spirit of Christmas, even though it would break your heart. And plus, it looks better that way.
Tayo maasal list.
No.
Yes, it will work.
It works.
It works.
Oh, see?
Aw.
Nag-Istanbul.
I'm guessing the star is going to be not on the top of the tree.
Diyan mo na lang ilagay
Like
sa...
that.
I love how our cats just destroying the remains of our Christmas deck. Oh my God! What are you doing? I'm sensing a disturbance in the force.
Siguro, pinaka-diversity ko po nun.
Ooh, destroying the tree. Oh, such ingenuity. It looks bad. It looks worse. Now it's deformed.
Na-deform na. Ito na lang yung ilagay.
Deformed, sad, and depressed. Hey,
Patang mo na lang kaya. Hindi mo na pagtama, manok kaya siya.
Let's remove the plastic.
Nangyahan eh.
Kung anong kurtina.
Ano na lang, ano yung hindi pagkalbo.
no.
Iyaro mo na lang yung gano'n. Oh.
So pangit.
This video wasn't totally scuffed.
No. That's...
Just put it right there and we'll leave it there. We leave our future selves to learn. Okay, let's see our other decorations. Our leftovers. The glitter. The massive box. We have so many balls. I think that star fits more than the Mabuhay star. The 7 stars.
Oh, bakit by like this? Here,
I don't know.
Here na lang. Oh, here.
I love how we're just focusing on the tree while Daddy's decorating the rest of the house.
Oh, no. Sanda natin ito natin
I am not
nalagay.
comfortable with
Lagyan
that
natin ng
star
tali.
position.
Sandali. Saan ang saksakan ito? Here? Here?
Yeah, just put it there.
O ba't wala?
Di mo naman yung paglagay, tayo lang tumasarang ining ano, itong halaba. Kung kulay green.
Okay.
Ilan ko naman din yung...
Bakit hindi ito nakakapasok?
I don't know.
Kaya lag mo.
Na lang. Like that na lang.
Aliw mo na lang kaya. Yan, nasa front mo na lang.
Pagburabod na lang.
Ang madali ka, kung baka ng masking tape, talaga mong tape para safe side, mas secure mo lang din sa ano.
Ay, iyo. Ano?
Okay.
Pero dapat din nakaluwas man yun sa nangalos ng igwang.
Later na daw yun.
Sorry mo naman na yun, ilag tam lang yun.
Oh yeah, the lights.
Let's put Christmas balls.
Wait. I love how we're focusing on the tree. Okay. Amazing. Time. Wait. Ah, my feet is stuck. I hope this looks good in the footage. Oh, does this look good? Okay. Cameraman has been on. Wow. Oh yeah, the balls. We have all the balls in our house. I don't like. What about the balls? You can really put it. The leaves are so thick, you can put balls on it.
The leaves are thick.
The leaves are so strong that you can put balls on it.
Yung muna lang sa leaves.
And the branches are so weak. The leaves are stronger. I wonder if I'm still in the camera view. Ooh.
Ay,
Tinahaban nila yun daw.
Oh yeah, you're. Oh no!
natakpan ko.
Footage! Our
Camera.
footage! What shall we do? If only we had some way of rewinding the footage.
Hindi na rin sumpay sa isang ilaw. Ay na to.
Which one? Do I start?
Ang ka is that tape.
Most cuff Christmas decorating video ever. Are these still usable? Yeah, they're still usable. Keep cooking.
Ay, basta. Magkarito.
Oh, this is very too big.
Yeah, I think we're just gonna put it there. Wait, I'm gonna grab the camera. I think we might have to put the bigger balls over there.
Yeah.
But for now, we'll be decorating the tree. And now, doesn't it look nice, huh?
Ah, beautiful.
Wow, it's nice. Totally not scuffed. At this is the first time I've seen us decorating in Christmas. The previous ones when we tried to decorate was pretty much just decoration. But at least this time we had some actual decoration put into it.
Christmas tree.
Oh yeah, we still have more balls if you want to put in more. Let's see if the cameraman can put balls on the tree. Ah! The balls have fallen.
So, maayos pa din dun sa... Lalagay ng maayos.
Oh,
Talagang blue ang story ang ano? Pang-team?
the blue Lenny. Isn't this one of Lenny's colors? I think it was blue and pink. Am I right? Don't send.
Non-politicals.
Yeah, we're not political. We try to avoid that because it's dangerous.
Bakit huwag na natin ilagay?
Our channel could be in ruins if we talk about politics. Might even be arrested. That might be another episode in John Lee Stocks. Wink, wink.
Dapat liligan dari mati ano. Please. Mati na mo sa
Paribusan.
We're going to... Ay!
Hey!
Hey, kidlat! No! Shh! Shh! Ah!
What are you doing, Kidlat?
He's biting the wires on the Christmas lights.
Kidlat, don't
Don't bite it. You have so much to live for.
Yeah.
Don't throw your life away. And if you want to know more on why you shouldn't commit suicide, watch our mental health video. It will give you all the insight to that. Oh yeah, Mom. I think you're supposed to be the main character here since you're the one who hasn't been in the channel for a while. So what's your insight with our tree? With our progress with the decoration of the tree?
Beautiful.
Anything other than beautiful? Like form a bit of maybe 2 to 3 sentences?
Amazing.
Stop using the subwords of good.
You know,
Yeah, because you're mostly here for comedy.
It's hardly talking in English.
Okay, you can speak in Tagalog, but sure, you can do it. Let's go. We can do this.
Let's go, baby.
We can decorate the tree. We're decorating a tree. First time in generations. This is the first time we decorated a tree. And I don't
This is
know
our
how
first
it's
time.
good.
To
Yeah.
decorate a Christmas tree.
I'm mostly worried about our cats. Wait, isn't this Mom?
What?
Didn't you see this and you thought, oh, this might be look good for Christmas decoration for our store?
Ow!
It's the
falling
same
down.
thing. So we do have one of those.
Falling down, falling down.
Oh no.
All the balls
Did it
are
break?
falling down.
Oh, Mom, I think we missed a spot. We have put so much decoration here, but none here. There's a bald spot in the decoration. I suggest we start decorating more over here.
Wait lang. Parang marami pa ako dito. Sandali.
Yes, here. I think we need to start decorating more on this side. Nice tree, by the way.
Just a
Yeah.
minute lang. Just a minute. Dito lang muna.
No, wait.
We're just concentrating here.
Yeah, but we'll run out of balls. We're already low on the balls. On the balls heater. We have to put more here because there's a big empty spot in our decoration.
Okay, Stanley.
Yes. I hope there's no dolls. I'm scared of them.
Masakit ka na kung ihiyan ka puting.
Santa
Mga puting.
being peed by a cat. That's oh, nice decoration over here. I didn't even realize it. We were focusing too much on the tree. Nice. I have mixed feelings about this star, but okay. Christmas balls. Okay. So, how's on the tree decoration going?
Keep on putting anything.
Just keep putting and hope it's look good. That's the strategy we have. Keep doing it until it looks good. To be honest, I'm pretty sleepy. Wow.
Using bigger.
Wait, that wasn't scripted, I swear. That yawn became really convenient. Okay, let's just go back to mommy's tree decoration. For now, we're gonna focus on the father. Why am I the only one commentating about this? The bar is gonna be video. It's just gonna be another named John Lee character. Did we run out of Christmas decoration?
Wala. Nagplanti.
Oh, okay. Because Because so right now we have the tree has a bald spot and Santa's flying. Wait, how wait, how wait, how do I say this? How do I say this without being mean? How big is Santa?
Falling down.
What's the weight of Santa?
Overweight. Just like your
I guess eating cookies and milk for dinner and breakfast, and basically your only food source became a little wait. Yeah. I guess obesity is still a problem even for demigods. Yon.
Dapat hindi mong pa-decorate. Problema hindi mong pang-tali.
How about this tree? We put it upside down. We put up a tree. Let's put it beside the main tree. So it's like decoration.
Christmas balls. My Christmas balls. This is new.
Okay, let's go back to mommy since she's actually commentating. Right as I say that, she stopped talking. Mother, you should be talking. Because you're supposed to be the main character of this today.
These balls
are yeah, they're very old. In fact, some of them might be even older than me.
Yeah.
And we barely use them.
But it's all useful.
I almost forgot about their existence.
But still useful.
Yeah, on rare occasions.
Wait.
Oh, there's 2, 4, 6. There's 7 balls left for decoration. I say you put the rest here since it's still a bald spot. Mother, I say you put more decoration over here. Because there seems to be a lacking of decoration over here where this part is over decorated. Right here. Yeah, this part looks amazing, but when you go behind, there's a literal bald spot of beautifulness.
Because it's back.
This explains poverty so much. Some parts are rich while the others are poor, and people just forget about the poor. It's so sad. Okay, let's go back to daddy. Let's go back to while mom's decorating the bald spot. Okay, so oh my god, that was an amazing jump.
This is the recipe, right? Lazy.
Oh my god, that looks amazing.
Is that amazing? Too many mess.
Yeah, but at least it can't be seen by the camera. Oops, it's being seen by the camera. Okay. Oh, why is it so dark? Oh yeah, because I'm near the light.
Meron na yung decoration.
Yay! Finally, we have a Christmas tree that we over decorated. Some parts don't have decoration. Some parts only has lights, while some parts are overly decorated. And yeah, that's pretty much this entire episode. Just watching us decorate a tree for 26 minutes. Okay, what else are we gonna do? I'm running out of things to say.
You're sleepy.
Who wants to be the cameraman?
You're sleepy?
Yeah. Okay, I'll just put the camera right here. Also, your phone is slow, but so I might suggest that if you're still actually doing this, I'd suggest to put it in a charger or something. Okay.
Bye-bye for now.
Bye guys. Wait, should I end the camera?
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye for now. See ya.
Like, share, comment, subscribe.